Hello everyone, welcome back to Tutorial River channel. In this tutorial I'll show you how to recover deleted Facebook message. For that you have to open your Facebook apps. Now I'm opening it. Look at this, my Facebook account dashboard. Now I'm showing you easy method step by step, so follow my whole process. Right corner, tap on three line. Tap on the setting icon. Scroll down. Tap on download and information. Continue, download your information. Request a download. Tap on this. Select option 2. Select type of information. And select message. Next. And submit request. Okay, now done. You need to just waiting some hour, then Facebook team automatically send you a message in your email address. Then you need to just unzip file and then shown here, and then shown your all messages information. That's how you can do it. Hope you all enjoy this video. Please hit the like button.